Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we'll start grammar chapter number 6 tenses. Now we all know that there are three tenses, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. So today we'll learn about the present tense. Look at the picture given below. What are they doing? The first one, the children are baking a cake. Second one, the girl is feeding the goose. Third, the children are throwing snowballs at each other. And fourth one, the girl is skating on the ice. Now in these four pictures, can you see children that they are doing something? Means continuously they are doing something. They are baking the cake, the girl is feeding the goose, the children are playing, and the girl, last one, she is skating on ice. So they are continuously doing it. Okay, so it is a present continuous tense. Now what is a present continuous tense? The definition is given. You should learn this definition. The present continuous tense forms talk about an action that is going on in the present. Means it is going on. You are not stopping it. Okay? And can you note that how we form the tense? We use the present tense form to be and the verb in its ing form. When we see the first sentence, the children are baking a cake. In this sentence, the verb is are baking. We have formed this verb by writing are and bake plus ing. Now in exercise 2, you have to write to be form and verb plus ing. So first one is done for you, are, bake plus ing. So in the second sentence, it will be is and feed plus ing. Third one will be are, throw plus ing. Fourth one is sket plus ing. So in all the four sentences, ing is common. Why? Because it is a present continuous tense. Now in the third activity, fill in the blanks in the paragraph given below with the present continuous tense. Now you have to write the present continuous tense. The verbs are given in the bracket. They are having a meeting inside. I wonder what they are discussing. Perhaps they are thinking of declaring a holiday tomorrow. Peep through this window. Tell us what they are doing. Well, Mrs. Pandey is standing and talking to the others. All the others are listening to her, while Mr. Tripathi is nodding his head. The manager is taking down notes. Now all the people are clapping. Look out, they are rising. They are coming out of the room. So children, here in the bracket, the verbs are given and you have to just write to be and the ing form. So when do we use the simple present tense? We use the simple present tense when we talk about an action that occurs regularly. For example, I get up at 6 o'clock every day. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Parents love their children. My father reads the newspaper every morning. All rivers flow towards the ocean. Now dear children, if you look carefully at the words in the bold letters, you will find that all of them are in the simple present tense. Now definition is given, you have to learn this by heart. The simple present tense talks about action that go on every day. Now activity 4 you have to do on your own, that is your homework. Fifth one, filling the blanks with the simple present tense. Now in the brackets, some verbs are given, you have to change into simple present tense. We spend a lot of time sleeping, but there are parts of our body that never sleep. The heart beats and the lungs pump air The brain controls the various organs and even tells you when it is time for you to get up. So do not think that you are not doing anything when you sleep. The body is always active. This you will do in your textbook itself. Let us revise the present continuous and the simple present tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about the action that is going in the present, while the simple present tense is used to talk about the action that occurs regularly. For example, I do my homework every evening and I am doing my homework now. Now first one is the simple present tense while the second one is present continuous tense. Now we move on to activity 6. Filling the blanks in the sentence given below with the simple present tense or the simple present continuous tense. First one, usually the gardener waters the plants. He is unwell today, so I am watering the plants. Second one, my father works in England. Right now, he is working in Singapore because his company has sent him there. Third, in India, it rains during the month of June, July and August. It is raining heavily now as it is the month of August. Next, Mr. George goes to church on Sundays. Where is he going now? Last one, usually Jamal does not talk to anybody. It is surprising to see him talking for so long with that man. With this we complete the activity 6. I hope, dear children, you have understood. My next video will be about the past tense.